We are a Native American museum and research center for archaeology, and we've been here since 1975. One of the unique features of the museum, besides the exhibits we have down in this building, is our Native Algonquin replicated village up above the museum, which has a longhouse, a reed wigwam, and a regular wigwam, which is how natives lived here 500, 1,000, 1,500 years ago. This year we're about to rebuild the three structures, and the necessary component of that was the red cedars, and we were able to locate them on Eversource property.
We're using the cedars, which is a wood that doesn't rot when it's in the ground, for the poles so that the structures don't rot off. And we were fortunate because Eversource gave us access to those materials, and that made the building these buildings possible. Assembling the materials is really the biggest job. It's sort of like painting a house. You scrape for weeks and then you paint for a couple days. And it's the same sort of thing where we're spending weeks and weeks just collecting the poles and collecting the bark and making the cordage. And when we build the house, it's actually, we just stick the poles in and bend them and tie them. And it's a lot more fun.